The hamsters, they got a plan. The perfect grocery store robbery. But she got busted. Damn, Brenda, rookie. I send her in to grab the goods. She gets greedy. Typical catnip junkie. Security spots her. Sirens, boom, cat's gone. Hamsters roll up, cool as masterminds. They're calculating oil traffic, Brenda's mistakes, time and security rotations, even mapping the cheese charts like it's Fort Knox. And trust me, those hamsters, they don't steal groceries. They own the store now. I just work here. Business as usual.